Cambodia and Bangladesh are two of the world's largest textile-producing countries, supplying global clothing brands such as Bestseller, Inditex, and H&M Group. But they are also countries known for their poor working conditions. Over the past decades, incidents have occurred that have prompted some brands to audit their suppliers.
Rescuers have given up hope of finding anyone.
Death toll at the Rana Plaza passed 400.
The death toll continues to rise following the collapse of a building in Bangladesh.
In 2011, together with a representative from H&M Group, we audited a supplier's factory in Cambodia. As one of the handful of companies to have a policy of complete transparency, H&M Group has allowed Nordea to document matters that are normally confidential. The analyst looks around the factory and discovers areas that fail to meet the expected standards. The first is the insufficient quantities of first aid kits relative to the number of workers. And a closer look at the fire equipment shows an inspection is long overdue. Further inspection of the factory reveals that the indoor temperature is too high. The thermometer shows 30 degrees Celsius. Along with the limited access to water, this is another area of serious concern. The analyst evaluates the factory conditions on the spot and starts a dialogue to solve the problem right away. The analyst stresses that sufficient quantities of up-to-date safety equipment must be in place and wants the heat issues taken care of as soon as possible. In 2013, Nordea returns to the factory for a follow-up inspection. We have come to make sure that the problems with high temperatures and access to drinking water have been resolved. The factory has installed a new cooling system to reduce the temperature inside the workshop from 30 to 26 degrees Celsius.
So you can see the cooling pads there. They have installed a cooling system, water cooling system in this workshop.
You see right now the temperature is 26 degrees, yes.
And the workers can now refill their water bottles near the workstations.
Yeah, it's a drinking area.
So they usually bring a bottle and fill it with water, or?
Yeah, the water is when monthly test.
Yeah.
After this visit, we travel to Bangladesh, where the clothing industry is vital to the economy. The country has hundreds of textile factories, but struggles with harsh working conditions and low wages. Here, H&M Group uses more than 250 factories. The company has allowed our analyst to observe an audit at one of their suppliers.
This is the fire alarm system here, so if anything happens, then they will break it. Someone will press this on, then a whole building will be ringing in one time. Then people will recognize, then they will escape.
Any incident spreads panic. However, the owners have implemented several initiatives to prevent that. Suddenly, the alarm goes off. Today, it is only a drill.
Sometimes, our concerned people, they are doing unannounced drill.
The company tells the analyst that the building where the garments are produced is strictly monitored.
We produce in buildings that are designed for the purpose. It has the structures, the systems to ensure safety and a safe work environment.
Overall, the audit showed that the factory has good safety measures in place. Nordea is in ongoing dialogue with the companies we invest in, so we can improve conditions for their workers. We want to offer investments that not only give good returns, but are also socially and environmentally responsible.